VEVOR asked me to take a look at this product and make this short video, so let's take it out of the box and check it out. And here's what you'll get. You're going to get 6 of these moving blankets. Now they are 6 feet long and about 40 inches wide. So that's a good size to be able to drape over things in a rectangular form and allow you to tie it off to be able to move it. If it was just a large square, it'd be a lot of bulk left over. So I think that 6 foot by about 3.5 feet works well in terms of size. All the edges have this orange fabric sewn on there, so you can easily tell where the edges are when you're trying to tie things down and wrap it up. It's padded. These are all throughout nice and padded, and they're pretty sheer, so I think it'll slide well over your furniture, and you're not going to have any problems with it getting snagged or anything like that. It's got a double stitching around on the edges here, and then stitching on these corners to hold it in place. You know, people think of these as pretty much disposable items. They don't use them too often, but I think for the time that you will, when you're doing a big move, these will last. And last more than one move too. Just they're pretty good quality. Got a good feel to them. This is definitely what you would see as a moving blanket. I mean, it's going to be the one that's going to hold together, even if you put straps around it. They give you a couple straps here, just some stretchy material. I think this would be useful mostly for after I've used it and folded them up and I just want to pack them up. Then I'll put them in like this, and I'll just stack all 6 up and then put them in these things for storage. Not really helpful for this for the move itself, but you know, overall a really nice set of moving blankets, affordable, and you get a 6-pack of them, so you're going to be able to do a lot of moves simultaneously, having this fabric here to help you with that, protecting your furniture. So hey, I hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about these moving blankets, and hope this information has been useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.